Hi everyone. Today I'm at the Fraser River Discovery Centre, and today I'm talking about the show. Today I'm showcasing about the indigenous culture and what's the importance of the Fraser River to these indigenous community in British Columbia. So the one thing that one of the three things that I discovered in here is the connection to the nature. So I'm here to discuss about how the exhibits emphasize the deep connection between the indigenous people and the natural environment, particularly the Fraser River, which has been a vital resources for the sustenance and the cultural practices for the thousands of years. And for the how to, and they we all knew that they are also well known for their salmon preservance. And let me show you another view of their how to process the salmon in a field drying. So in here you can see that they are see the process of how they process a salmon for a wind drying. So here's the step one. We can see that in there that first they actually bleed the fish by putting the salmon perpendicularly from tail to bottom and the head to top. And in here it says that as soon as the salmon is caught, its head is removed and the fish is turned upside down to bleed for about 10 minutes. After that, the step 2 starts where they remove the fins and the entrails. In this process, the fins are removed and the salmon is cut down the stomach to open it up. And the step 3, which is fillet, in this style, the two sides of the fish are detached from the backbone, and this backbone is then broken off into off just before the tail. And the step 4 is the thin and the trimming of the flesh. In T, as we can see that the fillets are thin to speed up the drying process, and this extra little space is called the candy. And in step 5, we can see that it's called score the flesh. In this, they actually cuts are made at a little bit of angle and are not all the way to the skin. And the last part is step 6, which is the shake and the hand fry. In this, they picked up and gently shaken to separate the slits so that the air can get around the cuts. Here we can see that the traditional culture that are actually symbolizing from our Hindu culture as well. There are few, both of the indigenous and the Hindu culture deeply respect the nature and recognize the spiritual significance of the natural elements. For example, salmon in here is a river just like a cows and the Ganges are in India. So that's the one similarity that I personally believe is similar to this cultures. And the second, what differences that I see in here, however the religious practices differ. The indigenous spirituality is often tied to the specific land, while Hinduism has a broader codified and a set of ritual practical globally. So to conclude this, I can say that there's a significance the Fraser River has been a meaningful experience for me, showing that how different cultures, though unique, share a common values. So thank you.